Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, here's the cards I rented yesterday. And it was a little bit more expensive because, of course, it's the end of the season. In fact, this is the last day. Tomorrow we'll be able to open up our chests. But as you can see, I rented no regular foil. But here's the gold. That's all I rented. And I got the numbers. I'll show you after I open up the chest. But what I noticed was, and the other thing I did was the DEC. I only went down to 40%. I got up as high as 52 when I was all the way down to actually like 20 yesterday. But I'll show you those numbers too. But this did very well. This was the cheapest summoner I could get. And I actually found some very good deals. If you look around, there's people will pop in an 8th level or 10th level card for really cheap. I don't know if they're just being nice or they just want to rent it real quick. They need some DC. But sometimes you can get it cheaper than a 6th level or a 4th level. You got to pay attention to that, and it works. And so I spent a total of 850 DEC, which isn't bad for all gold cards and end of the season at all. So let's go open up the chest real quick. Got 37 more seconds. And let's see what we got going here as far as the rentals. I'll show you that real quick. Yesterday, I spent 371 compared to 845 for today's. Now, these are all a day behind, of course. I did 11 chests. I got 4 cards, 4 potions. I got 3 DECs for a total of 296. And then I won 106 in battle. And the TDEC was 31. I'm trying to remember what that number is. For the life of me, I can't remember right at this second. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open up the chest. And of course, I'm in diamond, but I'm only going to get gold. From what I understand, I'm only going to get gold chest, if that's correct. I don't know if it is or not. So, but then I noticed is having all gold and the higher percentage. That's why I'm going back up in my energy. Oh, nice way to start. A rare card. 2 rare cards. A potion. 80 dark energy crystals. That will help pay for my potion. Card. Oh, nice. Nice. 3,432 dark energy crystals. That's definitely going to cover my end of season, another 240 and another potion. Nice pull. Very happy, of course, with the 3,432 dark energy crystals. So, so what I'm trying to say is with the higher percentage from all gold, because some battles I had all 7 slots because the summoner's gold. So I got that every single time. Okay, guys, I figured out what this number is. This is the total DC that I won in battle. Okay, this is the total that I won in. Hold on. Okay, I think what I did. I know what this number is. I started yesterday at 32 D's capture rate, and then today at 52. I'm trying to get that back up to 100 because I can double my winnings by doing that. That's what I'm hoping anyway. So I don't know. I might have to get rid of this number. I really can't figure out what it was, but I have won no packs. That's what I won yesterday, and then I'll put in what I won today, which you just saw, and I'm going to keep a record of that. And I'm hoping for this number to go up because, like today, I battled a lot less than I did yesterday. to get this. And then, of course, I had that good pull on the DC, so that's really going to help. And we'll be able to see just how powerful renting is. I've done a 180 on renting. I never wanted to rent it in my first few months, actually the first 5 months. Now I'm a rentaholic. I absolutely love it. So let's go look at some new numbers. Where would they be at? YouTube, there's 10,000 right there. Okay, so today's actually the 14th. It's day 163, and so I will put in $10 after the video, but that won't count till tomorrow. And hold on. Okay, I've got the numbers. Here we go. Yeah, I fixed that. There's the rules I go by, day 163, the $10. So here at the bottom is where I got the new numbers. 614, 761 went down $3. I think we're getting, God, I hope this is the bottom. 175 cards, 5777. Now these numbers have what I pulled today because I just did them when I should have done them earlier and I forgot. 174,532, another new record. $70 free SPS, so negative 82 asset value. So I am now $10,082 away. Because if I sold everything, I would be short $82 of this because that's my total out of pocket right here. And then, of course, I've got more than that in DC. That's what I guess that's what I started at, right about 3,060. So it's a mess out there for everybody right now. Everybody is having, but I'm going to get a really nice bump on my free SPS because 1, the price is down. 2, I got double the amount of dark energy crystals to add into that, and that's gone up too. And I'm going to put in the $10 after I quit this video. And then right about, what time is it? It's 10 o'clock. So about 11:30, 12, they're going to do the snapshot, and I'll get even more. So I'm hoping I get 12 to 15 SPS today, which would be very nice. And now I got, I'm going to get I'm going to build this back up to 100. But the way I'm going to do it is over time. I'll probably be at 62, 70 tomorrow, and then I won't come back to this number. The lowest I'll ever go to is 43. And if I do well, and because I got so many chests to open tomorrow anyway, I might only do a few battles, if any. I might not rent anything. I might just skip tomorrow because I got all those chests to open, save the money on the rent. I'm formulating this strategy as we speak, and then keep all that for the beginning of the season and really start off strong. So very happy with this, going to get this up. But when I'm getting like 18,000, 20,000 SP, I'll be getting 40,000 if I'm all gold and Bravo Alpha. So let's go take a look at that, and then I'm going to go because I have company in town, and I'm kind of hiding to do this. The 30 chest daily max, it's possible. It's very possible. It's going to have to be done with gold, and I believe gold and Bravo. And gold cards, Bravo, promo, alphas, guild helps, and a win streak. It's possible. Now, is it possible without all this? Yeah, but man, I don't know how you do it without destroying your capture rate. I don't think that's possible unless you play 24/7. And even then, you'll be winning so little, it might, because it gets worse and worse the further you go into the day. This is possible, but I think only with this. And they designed that on purpose like that. Now, multiple accounts can get you more. I am going to tomorrow open up a new account, but I'm not going to dollar cost average into it. I'm going to pay the $10 fee. I will get 3,000 credits for that, and that will be my beginning renting money. And then with rentals, I am going to try to build up an asset collection. And I'll show you both of them in the same video. I'm not going to do 2 separate videos. And I want to see how well I can do without putting any money in, type thing. That seems to be what everybody else is doing. So here's the people you want to check out: Ashley NFT Gaming, Bulldog 1206, Infidel 12, or Dwayne Cunningham. Luke Plays to Earn, Walking Keys and Gank and Walking Keys, Gathering the Magic. Go to Splinterlands TV on Twitch and weekly AMA every Monday. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for the big chest opening for end of season rewards. Thank you.